con grande rammarico, with very dissatisfaction about animation node. I was always trying to make something. Anyway, I would like to talk about this website, Symbolab. It is the best after. I do not say that after Wolfram, maybe Wolfram. The most For me, it was the first most popular mathematical website, but nowadays, because of the reason that the founder of this website is an English teacher, English, no, UK, I mean English origin, mathematical teacher, mathematics teacher, whose motto was, we should let the new student begin from where we came throughout these years, not to teach them all of the thing behind of this new theory, because they have to understand the most important things and then go beyond what we have done since today. Anyway, nowadays there is a super duper photo application, mobile app. This is the very wonderful, this is wonderful, because I don't know, maybe it is Italian, because I have no idea, but it is the, I think that nowadays this is the best. No idea. This was uh, done in JavaScript, but um, nothing on Google Wikipedia. um, Whoever may edit this is hmm, Croatian. Wonderful, wonderful webs app, mobile app, wonderful. So they are wonderful. So OCR. So after that, the thing that I was trying to do is this: close feedback loop. I I failed. I failed to realize this thing in Blender. Uh, in particular way in Blender animation node system, because the beauty of Blender is this: inside of Blender you can make another like Python ambient, environment, like this. So the thing is that you can give them a input, then you take an output, and then it produce and one kind of error just here, because this is what you want to have and this is what you get, so that you make a comparison, and this is the error. uh, According to this, your controller, I mean this one, is try to command your system in order to, like this one, hitting elements, trying to take your system, like this process in the state you want. So this is good, like plant, this is controller. So this could be an inverter with his microcontroller process brain everything sensor of rotation speed, and this is the desirable speed, and this is your motor with this one maybe is the load of the weight, maybe this like this one disturbance. So what happened that your motor produce a speed and it is compared with the desirable speed, and then if the error is much bigger than a tolerance value, then the controller should produce one kind of current flow, because of the reason that this current should produce an torque which should produce a mechanical torque that is balanced by the resistant torque uh, applied by the disturbance. Now I usually the weight that you should be should lifting is called by disturbance. I have no idea why it is called disturbance. I would like to call it like load. I have no idea why. I would prefer to like call it like load, because this is actually what I want to have. No, otherwise how can you elevate the object? Well, this is a discussion apart. Anyway, so I was talking about this. So I would like to make something like this for that. But the my purpose of trying to realizing this kind of loop was this, because I was trying to produce this with ecosphere, but they was placed not exactly in the tip of this rod, but also in the middle, like, and that's why I was trying to do like this. The suppose, because of the reason, there's this rod that one I showed you is, why the hell is going on, ah, is done by difference between the tip, uh okay, by this, and the position of the sphere which is here. I have no idea why it is showing that I mean over there. um anyway, I was saying that, and that's why I would like to have a loop in which every time this sphere move from, suppose from this position to this position, I would like to have a vector or list of vector that is containing these coordinates. Okay, for this reason I was saying that if I can make a list like this, so first iteration, first coordinate, put it here, like, the concept of push pull in C++ language, like that, no, like stack memory, no, first, and then the sphere is here. At the second step, the sphere is here, then this should go down, this coordinate, uh, the first one, and this one should come once again. So this should be like, uh, insert the value, then give feedback the position, then like stack, no, the concept of stack, program counter in microprocessor processing system. So program found. Every time this put add value, should be a the program counter should increase, and then this should put the memory of the this sphere, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this was my desire, and I couldn't success. So um, if somebody can help me out, I will be so glad, because I asked for help in Blender stake exchange, but nobody came out till now, because at this moment that I'm making this video. But that the thing is this, that the only way that I learn. Oh, so this one is another one, which may let you make this one. Okay, you see, as a following path, no? So if you increase this is a way to make a following path. Okay, anyway, this is not what I would like to for show you. This maybe mm, no idea. hmm. So I have no idea. I was trying to show you. Okay. Hmm. You see, this is what I want to have. You see, the thing is this, that in this example I'm able to do so, but there is this point now in which I am instancing this icosphere, where it is. Hmm. Anyway, here it is. Okay, but how? And I would like to have only icosphere in the tip of this, but not in the middle, and I was unable. So if you want, you can find this this file online, and please help me if you can, and have fun with Blender, because as it's a vast field.